So if you're like me, you might be browsing the Unreal Engine marketplace looking through the newly added asset packs, and if there's one thing that I've noticed is that there are not many high-quality first-person arm packs. Now sure, there might be a lot of third-person character model packs on the marketplace, but none of them are specifically designed for first-person, and the majority of them aren't detailed enough to be used for first-person, especially when you're looking at them in the first-person point of view. So that's where the Modular FPS Arms pack comes to play. So the Modular FPS Arms pack is a high-detailed first-person shooter game arms character model. So in most games you have a third-person character model that is not as detailed, and then you have the first-person character arms, which are very high-detailed because it's going to be a third of your screen, which means that your players are going to be seeing the arms all the time on their screen, and so they're going to have to be very high-detailed. Now, I've reached out to the creator of this pack before, and we've reviewed some of his products here before on the channel, such as the Modular Soldier Pack from the Unreal Engine Marketplace, very high-quality third-person character models. If you're interested in that video, I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So here we are in the showcase level. Basically, you can see here we have sort of this character customization, but to showcase, the different customization settings that you have for your first-person arms. So there's a lot of different options, and I can filter through the different presets. So we have preset number 1. So you can see there's different glove types. We have this very high detailed watch, and you can either have, with the sleeves or without the sleeves. So we can go through preset 2. So we have the full sleeves rolled down. We have the gloves. Preset number 3, we have sort of this nylon long sleeve shirt. We have the watch, and we also have a different type of glove. Preset number 4, again, a different type of glove and sleeves rolled down. Preset 5, I really like the detail, especially on the character arm as well. So you can see veins and stuff on the arm are actual model detail. Preset number 6, so another different type of glove. Preset number 7, so this one has the fingers exposed on this glove. Preset number 8, a different style of glove with the fingers exposed. And of course you can change, the color presets, color regions, and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and go to preset number 1. So we have the different sleeve types. So you can see the different color regions, and maybe I need to show you it like so. So you can see the different color patterns that we have for the sleeves. So you can have, camo, different types of camo, gray camo there, this digital camo. So a lot of different textures already on it. So if you want to add your own customizations system, you already have all the texture presets here. So you have the 2 different sleeve types. So you have the sleeves rolled down or the sleeves rolled up. Then we have the different gloves. So it looks like the finger is the only one that's not exposed. So we have all the different glove types. And we also have different glove colorations. So there's a lot of different coloring options. It kind of reminds me of CSGO, where they have the different, glove packs or different skins for the gloves. So as you can see, there's just a lot of different, and even camo color here. So pretty neat. That includes all the different camo sets. And I can actually zoom in here and show you how detailed the glove is. So again, some more different color regions and patterns, as you can see. Okay, now we have watches. So if I enable the watch, we can change the watch orientation, so you'd have it facing inwards or outwards. And then you can change the color as well. So different watch color. We have camo coloring as well. So you can get all the different camo types to match up with the gloves as well as the sleeves. Then another neat thing that we have here is the tattoos. So you can see that we have a couple of different tattoo styles. Okay, it looks like this one has sort of like a quote on there. But pretty cool that they include this, and you don't really see many first-person arm marketplace assets on the Unreal Engine marketplace, and it's honestly really cool. You can see all the pores here on the skin as well. I think he did a really good job on capturing all that detail. Even in the tattoo here, it's kind of faded, so we can filter through all the other presets, and I think that's pretty much all of them. But as you can see here, there are just so many different presets that you can set up, and again, this is fully modular, so you can completely customize this to your liking. So here's the main level, which showcases all the different character arm combinations. As you can see, there's a lot of different customization options. Since this is fully modular, you can mix and match all sorts of different stuff. And again, the creator of this pack, he makes a third-person character model that goes along very well with the first-person arms. So if you wanted to get the full combination, let's say you're making a multiplayer game, then you can use the third-person character mesh along with the high-detailed first-person character arms. We have the different combinations and gloves, the different camo, and we even have different clothing. So we have sort of this nylon shirt with the sleeve up and sleeve down. Then we could see some of the different other camo settings with some of the other gloves, as well as the tattoos. And another neat thing is they included the base mesh. So if you just want high detailed FPS arms, you could use it really just as the arms. I mean, these are pretty well detailed. So here are some of the watches here. Here are all the different glove options that you have. So you can see the differences. We have different padding here, a lot of different options when it comes to the gloves, and you did a really nice job texturing all this and adding all the little detail that really your character will be seeing through the entire duration of the game, because I mean, your first person arms are pretty much always in the shot of the camera. So here I think we have the different patches. You can add some patches to the character's arm there. And then here are the different clothing settings. And then these are rigged to the epic skeleton. So as you can see, here they are all animated with all the third-person animations. So, you know, idle, jumping, all that sort of stuff. And again, here are all the presetted options that you have for the different gloves. So you can see over here we have, you know, different patches on these. And I actually have the first-person character template here, so I'm just going to real quick swap this out with our character arms. So I got the arm set up here, and it comes with a little animation, but I'll need to set up like a walking animation. As you can see, this is what it would look like in the first person. So obviously you'd need to add like idle and walking and all that stuff. But very high detailed for a first person view. And so if you guys are looking for some high quality modular first person arms, if you're working on creating a first person shooter, check out the Modular FPS Arms pack. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. Again, big thank you to the creator of this pack for sending me this to review for you guys. And also, if you want to check out their third-person Modular Soldier Pack, I did a review video on that. I'll leave the link in the description below. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.